Okay, we continue the point menu, and here is the mark curve start and end. With left click or right click on this icon. Left click on this icon, the software tells you please select the curve or the curves. You can select one curve or two curve or any curve that you want. Click and select the curves. After you're finishing selecting, right click or hit enter to done. As you can see, the point will be added at the start of the curves. We understand in this method we understand ending and starting the curves, and we can do lots of things with it. And the point will be added here. You can move it, delete it, or anything that you want. If you right click on this icon, mark end, you have to second select the curve that you want and right click. As you can see, the points will be added at the end of the curves. Okay, this is mark end and start curves.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.
Hello there, I'm Hamid RT from TutorialCells. I'm electrical engineer and software instructor. I love teaching and learning. In this channel, we intend to produce free tutorials on softwares, games, and other sciences. But our main focus is on making tutorials for softwares. We are currently changing our policies to protect copyright law and respect the work of others. In the first step, we will teach only free software. Then, after purchasing commercial and official versions of the software and obtaining the permission from the software companies, we will record a tutorial for those softwares. So, we start with the free software that is free for everyone to use. Because of the strict rules of the companies and YouTube, even if we use trial version of commercial software, we will still face legal issues in future for monetizing videos on YouTube. So, stay tuned for our new tutorial with free, powerful, and functional software. Thank you very much.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.